Él no puede recordar. So as you see, it wrote something totally different from what I said. So I'm going to use my technique now. So I'm going to say a Spanish word that it surely recognizes, and then I say the sentence. Gracias. Él no puede recordar. Okay, so you see, it's almost correct, and it wrote an A, but I will erase the unnecessary stuff. And here's the correct solution. And it's correct. I'm very happy to have discovered this small hack, because there were times when I had to tell a sentence like 8 or 10 times until the recorder of my tablet got it right. And this way, you know, by telling a very easy word in a given language like spasiba, gracias, danke, thank you, or boy, the Duolingo app will surely get it right.